And, beware of the headlines.
Well, yeah. I mean, again, I've said on the show before, I always start off early in the morning looking at the markets because I want to see what's going on with, not just the stock market, of course, but, particularly the bond market. And I knew, of course, we had the inflation numbers being released this week. And so when I checked very early this morning and I saw that the inflation number looked pretty tame, and yet on the business page I was looking at, and I think it was CNBC, I see this headline about an uncomfortable increase. I'm like, well, wait a minute. What is going on here? Why did this person write that when the data doesn't support, the numbers don't support that kind of a headline? Now, I don't know what a person like that, what their motivation is to somehow take what otherwise looks to be relatively tame and maybe I wouldn't call it a cool number, because the favorite terms now are cool or hot. If the inflation number comes in below expectations, it's cool. And if it comes in above expectations, even by a tick, it's hot, and it's like, and that's part of my problem with the headlines too, is they use some descriptive terms that I think exaggerate what's really going on. Like when you see something about rates have plummeted. Well, okay, we've gone from 6.1 to 6.
Yeah.
Or mortgage applications have, skyrocketed. Well, they're up, 10% over what they were a year ago. Well, of course, even a year ago, mortgage applications were, only 50% of what they were before the pandemic, for example. So it's like, it's all relative, and you got to peel through those headlines and understand that a lot of those headlines are, they're clickbait. They're trying to, send a message and get your attention. And sometimes I think in doing so, they're more misleading than otherwise.